Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Wanted to show you the goodies I bought with a good sale that they had on Darn Good Yarn and also Expression Fiber Arts. So, before all that, hi to my returning and new watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for coming. If you like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. You can click the join button. You can also click the join button if you'd like to become a member. And thanks so much to my members for your continued support and watching and commenting and all that. It helps a lot. So, on to what I got. Anyways, I ordered two. They had this Spooktacular yarn mystery bags kind of thing. The Spooktacular one comes out to 9. They give 9 hanks. These hanks are from their yarn of the month. I ordered two. This is what the closed one looks like. That's how it came. And I'll tell you what's in it. They included 5 cute kitty cat yarn stitch markers. 2, these are impossible buttons, handmade, fully washable buttons. I don't know, I think they're ceramic maybe, I'm not sure. Those are the buttons. And one of their little yarn toolkits that they gave in a different month, which has, you can tell gauge, you can tell the hook size thing. I forgot what else. Let me see. That's to tell the needle sizes. This is something with degrees. I'm not sure. I can't remember anymore. This is for determining gauge. Your stitch gauge. This is for yarn weight. How many wraps per inch, and then they have the inch here, and then also you can put to see if it falls within those thicknesses. This is also for sizing, whoops, there it goes, sizing knitting needles, the different sizes. And this is for the crochet hooks. You kind of slide them in to the gaps. So, that was in there. And then the yarn, the 9 hanks were hanks from the yarn of the month. You know, we got them for the subscription. This colorful one, which is like a magenta, blue, periwinkle blue, purple, kind of yellow, and 2 shades of green, a light green and a, you know, like a yellowish green and a green. And it's called Harvest Moonrise is the colorway name. They had made a mistake and classified it as a bulky, so it's 50 grams or 100 yards of this yarn, 1.76 ounces or 91 meters. Hand wash, lay flat to dry. It doesn't matter what they recommend for the hook size because it's wrong. And I would say this is sort of close to their worsted weight yarn. Seems like a worsted weight yarn. But, you know, hey, you can use your tool and figure it out. That's just my guess. So, this one they also had classified as a bulky, like a number 6 bulky, which is, I guess, the number 6 is a super bulky. This one is a little thicker than a worsted weight yarn. It's kind of like maybe between a 4 and a really thin 5. I would say it's also like a worsted weight. You know. And this colorway was also for in, you know, the yarn of the month. I don't remember what month is what. Huntress Grove is called this one. It's a darker green with a lighter green, and then like a yellow going into yellowish green. And this is 50 grams, 75 yards, or 1.76 ounces, 68 meters. All of these are from recycled silk yarn, reclaimed saris that they create into yarn. The next colorway, so they included three hanks of this one of the Harvest Moonrise. One hank of this Huntress Grove. 2 hanks, sorry, that was from the wooden thing. 2 hanks of this beautiful orange, which is Bridget's Hearth colorway. This one is classified as a DK weight, and I would agree with that. That's about how thick it is. It's 50 grams or 150 yards per hank, 1.8 ounces or 137 meters. I actually liked it when they used to send these in cakes, because now I gotta hank it up. So that's what I'm reading to you guys, and that's what I read for the Huntress Grove and what I read for the Harvest Moonrise. I can't remember if I showed it. So back to the Bridget's Hearth. It's a DK weight recycled silk yarn from Reclaimed Saris. And it's 50 grams, in the 50 grams, there's 150 yards or 137 meters. All of these are lay flat, hand wash, lay flat to dry. And this one recommends I think it's 4mm knitting needles. And maybe a 5mm US H8 crochet hook. It's really hard to read. It's like super tiny. Oh, cool. That one isn't backwards. Maybe if I don't hold it backwards, then it's not backwards, huh? That's the Huntress Grove one, and that's the Harvest Moonrise. And the third one is Olive Leaf, which is really pretty. Colorway. They call it a lace weight silk yarn. I don't agree with that. I think they messed up the label on this one, too, when they gave it to us. And this could be, it's sort of, that's 2 strands. It's sort of close to their DK weight, I think. And this is the one they say is DK weight. Maybe a smidge and a little thicker. Not much. And this is 50 grams. They included here 100 yards or 99 meters and 1.8 ounces. And whatever they said to use for the hook size is all wrong. So, you know, you got to figure it out. So that's Olive Leaf. It's really pretty. So it's a combination of different shades of green with like kind of like a light yellowish green and then like this golden color in there. So yeah, very pretty. So that was the Spooktacular. Next I got, it was called the Ultimate Yarn Haul, which was pricey, but a lot came in there. It was only a pre-Black Friday sale deal, so they're not selling it anymore. I don't know if they'll put it back in stock closer to Thanksgiving for a pre-Black Friday deal, but I don't know. And I had also ordered some skirts, but there's like a whole situation going on with the skirts that I'm dealing with customer service. Anyways, so the Yarn Haul one came actually with 20 hanks of their Yarn of the Month different yarns. So I'm not going to count them out for you guys, but it was pretty much these 3 same colorways, the Bridget's Hearth, the Olive Leaf, and the Huntress Grove, which are really pretty. And instead of the Harvest Moonrise, it came with the Mysticular, which I really like, which is nice. The Mysticular, also worsted weight recycled silk yarn made from the Reclaimed Saris. This one they categorize as a number 4 weight worsted. It's like a really kind of thin 4. Maybe it's a 4. Maybe you think of it more as a DK or a sport weight. It's 50 grams. Also, hand wash, lay flat to dry. 75 yards in these hanks. Why, if it's classified a 4, it's 75 yards, the other's 100. I don't know. I have yet to understand all that they do with that. 1.8 ounces or 68 meters is in this hank. They recommend a 5mm knitting needles, and the hooks, they recommend a crochet hook of 5.5mm or US I-9. And that's what I read to you. It's super small, so good luck with that. And in that, it came with a Cantha bag, which I got this one, which was nice. I did say no pinks, but hey, well, I got pink. Their zippers are really nice, and so are the handles. I will say with this one, oh yeah, and the cording, like the border, you know, and the zippers are, see, metal, and it has that front pocket. I will say with this one, I'm a bit disappointed because I have some of their other Cantha bags, and they usually have like some interface or a bit of padding, or maybe it's more than one like layer of fabric, and then it has, so the Cantha means that it has this sort of hand embroidered stitch work going, and you see all the stitches? You see all the stitches going? And it sort of reinforces it. So I feel like this one isn't as sturdy or strong as their other Cantha bags that I've bought. And it's also like kind of, they call this one the Wanderlust Cantha bag, but the other ones that I got that was Wanderlust, it was a little bigger. The Weekender is smaller. I don't think I've shown it on the channel. I can't remember. So in that Yarn Haul mystery bag, it was 20 hanks of yarn. It was these 4 colors that I showed you. The Huntress Grove, Bridget's Hearth, Mystic Healer, and Olive Leaf. So it was these 4. Enough that it was 20 hanks of those. This cool thingy to, when you cake up your yarn, you could put it on there and you can hold it by the handle. So that's pretty neat. And they also gave me a little sewing kit. That was included with it. So a little sewing travel kit, which is pretty cool. With little scissors and tweezers and yarn and snaps and buttons and needles. And pins too. Ooh. And a needle and a needle threader. Very cute. I guess that might go there like that. So. Yeah, great travel size. So yeah. Overall good. Not too thrilled about what happened with the skirts, because I feel like they weren't clear and all that, and then their customer service took a while to get back to me, so I had a bunch of skirts missing because it was, their deal was like 5 of their silk, of their wrap skirts that are made from silk, which are from reclaimed saris. Anyways, on to Expression Fiber Art. So this is my second order with them. I haven't shown you the first order. I got it last week. Well, I saw it last week and it arrived recently. And she had oopsies. They were like mystery bags. So I tried to get the worsted weight one, but it was sold out. But I ended up getting, these were the Allure silk fingering. And they came in a 3-pack. It's mulberry silk. It's so soft. It's so pretty. I'm not going to take them all from the bags. So I picked 3, so they kind of send you the colors. I don't know the color names. It's not on the packet. So on the packet, it says Oopsie Mystery 3-pack. It's their Allure silk fingering, 100% mulberry silk. And the whole package is 600 meters or 654 yards. The needle size recommended is US 0 to 7 or hook B to G. Hand wash only, lay flat to dry. And they also include like tips and tricks postcard, and then a card with a discount code for 10% off a next order. So this is kind of like a beautiful, like a violet color with a cream color and a light blue. The second bag was these colors, was like a golden color with a beautiful turquoise, and I haven't made out if this one is like a dark purple or a purpley brown. I'm not sure. And it all says the same on the label. And then this was the third pack, which was cream with the turquoise and the light blue. And this one I did open, so it's like 218 yards each, Hank. So these are just so pretty. And that's the cream colored one and the light blue. So I'm thinking I have those, this color's that color. So the oopsies means that there was something like that the dye color didn't come out exactly how they wanted it to. So it could be a little off. And I think these two are probably those two. So, does that make sense? So I have at least where I can do those two, right? And this one here, maybe. Yeah. So, that is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit of a longer video. It was a lot to show, even though I didn't show you all 20 Hanks. It's all the same. So, okay, folks. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day or night. Bye.